Hey guys, welcome to another video. Samsung could be cutting too many corners with Galaxy Note 20. They will launch the Galaxy Note 20 series in August, and the new lineup includes the Galaxy Note 20 and the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. Understandably, the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra will feature better specifications than the Galaxy Note 20, such as a better camera sensor, larger screen, and a larger battery. However, if a new report is to be believed, the vanilla-flavored Samsung Galaxy Note 20's display will be a significant step down from the Galaxy Note 20 Plus and even a step down from the Galaxy Note 10. According to noted tipster ICE Universe, the Galaxy Note 20 could feature a smaller and flatter display with Full HD Plus resolution, 60 Hz refresh rate, and wider bezels. That's a significant step down when compared to the rumored specifications of the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. Especially, the lack of a high refresh rate screen could hurt a lot of expectations. In comparison, the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra is expected to feature a 120Hz LTPO Super AMOLED display with QHD Plus resolution. While ICE Universe has an accurate track record when it comes to Samsung leaks, we can't be sure about the Galaxy Note 20's screen specifications just yet. Moreover, it is hard to imagine Samsung using a QHD Plus 120Hz screen on the cheapest variant of the Galaxy S20, but choosing to equip the Galaxy Note 20 with a Full HD Plus 60Hz panel. On the plus side, a smaller and lower resolution screen with a 60Hz refresh rate and a 4300 mAh battery might result in longer battery life. Samsung had a similar strategy last year with the Galaxy Note 10 and Note 10 Plus. The regular Note 10 had a smaller battery, smaller display with FHD Plus resolution, less RAM, and it had one less camera than the Note 10 Plus. It felt like Samsung was nudging buyers to choose the one with more features. In hindsight, the Note 10 at least had curved edges. Samsung is done with curved edges, as it is shown with the Galaxy S20 lineup. We could confidently speculate that Samsung will do away with them for the upcoming Note series unless it decides to leave them as a feature exclusive to its most expensive Note 20 model. The Galaxy Note 20 could also be missing out on the 108-megapixel camera sensor and 45-watt fast charging. Whatever the case is, we will get to know the exact specifications of the Galaxy Note 20 and the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra in early August during Samsung's Unpacked 2020 digital event. I feel this would be not great for Samsung to cut the edges for Galaxy Note 20 because it will let down all those users who want to buy a lower variant with same specs but a cheaper price. So guys, that's it in this videos. Let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. As always, I will catch you in the next one. Peace out.